Well, Mary and Cooper disappeared, but I thought I'd come back here and work on the canoe a little bit. Holy moly!
He's practically done.
Look what he's done. He's tearing all this apart. Hey, buddy. Yeah, you use that hammer on stuff. All right. Aren't we happy about that? We're always getting the back of your head there. Hey, boo-boo. Look what I got. You're fixing Dad's canoe. The screws are bent a bit. It's kind of hard. So he's told me to get him a bigger hammer. So that's what we'll do. All right. Mr. Grunting there. Hi, Mom and Dad. Hi, come.
Don't let him get the leaf.
I see it. Okay. Oh.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. There's our outside activity.